So in Let's Discuss, we are going to learn about the least common multiples, okay? So let's see. Let's find out the multiples of 6 first. 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18, 24, 36, 42, and so on, right? And 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 3 is 27. 4 times 9 is 36, and so on, right? And what are common here? So what are the common multiples of 6 and 9? Well, 18 are common, right? And 36 are common. And there are more numbers that are common in the... If you continue, there are more numbers that are common, right? So the common multiples for 6 and 9 are 18, 36, and so on. So the book says we have to cancel the numbers that are common. So let's just cancel them to see which ones are common, right? And which is the smallest number which is divisible by 6 and 9? Well, that's 18, right? 18 is the smallest number that's divisible by 6 and 9, right? So in the next page, the book says the smallest number, which is 18, and it's divisible by 2 or more numbers. In this case, it's 6 and 9, right? Is called the least common multiples. So the number 18 in this case is called least common multiples. LCM. Well, we have found the multiples, the common multiples of two numbers, right? And 18 is the least or the smallest common multiples of 6 and 9. So least common multiples, right? And this is the method of listing, right? But then there's another way to find the least common multiples, which is using the method of prime factorization method. So let's do that. 6 is divisible by 2 and 3. So we divide until we get the prime numbers in the below. And 9 here is divisible by 3 and 3. Okay? So those two are the prime numbers, right? And here, so we have found out the prime factors here, and after you find the prime factorization, you do it like this. You multiply the two numbers 6 and 9, the two numbers, and we divide by the greatest common factor of 6 and 9. So 6 times 9 is what? 54, right? And you divide by the greatest common factor, which is 3, right? Those two are common here. So 3. So you will get what? 54 divided by 3 is 24, 8. So 18 is the least common multiple. So this number right here is same as the number right here. So the methods are correct. So it says here, remember, in finding the least common multiples, LCM, of a given set of numbers, we can use the listing method, which is this method here, or the method of prime factorization, which is this method. Okay? So let's move on to the next page to solve some questions.